Customer onboarding is critical for successful CMMS implementations. If users are not trained and set up properly, there is a good chance your expectations will fall short, or worse, the project will fail. Hippo offers a variety of onboarding options to meet organizations' specific maintenance needs. Our standard onboarding service is the right option for businesses who are starting from scratch and don't have data to be migrated into the software. The standard onboarding service focuses on training users how to build their database, adding equipment and assets, parts, creating preventive maintenance templates, and more. If you don't have access to data to be imported, have set aside time to enter equipment and other data, and want to dig into the CMMS as soon as possible, standard onboarding is perfect for you. Within the first 30 days, an onboarding specialist will deliver thorough training on data entry and run through the essential features required to improve your maintenance operations. Speak with a Hippo CMMS solutions expert to find out which onboarding service is best for your company.